Extreme Online Store sent over some more carbon fiber for the V. Let's see what we got. They sent over a rear wing for the CTS-V Coupe. The rear wing is going to sit like this above the glass. This will be a pretty quick install. They sent over some 3M tape to put on the backside, and then all you got to do is stick it to the top. First thing I'm going to do is clean the glass, make sure there's no dust or debris behind, so the 3M tape has a good surface to bond on. Alright, basically I'm going to take the 3M tape and just follow the ridge all the way around. Once you get all the 3M tape on, try to pull the bread off without getting the actual tape to come out. When you're putting it on the car, you'll feel it lock into place, and that's how you know that's where it goes. And then just press down. That's it.